I'm teaching my students to do exactly what I did. Last year, we flipped 20 properties and bought this commercial property. I want you to do the same thing. Hey, what's up? My name is Jorge Diaz. I'm a real estate agent, real estate investor, and now I can happily say I'm a real estate coach. I help people that are very similar to me. With that being said, I'm a small kid. I'm a Spanish kid from a small town with big dreams. I didn't know exactly how I was gonna reach these dreams, but I knew real estate was an avenue that worked for everyone. So I started to work in that avenue. I got my real estate license. I help a bunch of family buy and sell real estate. I help some of them flip, some of them buy rentals, and now thankfully I flip on my own and I own rentals on my own. I'm teaching my students to do exactly what I did. Last year we flipped 20 properties and bought this commercial property. I want you to do the same thing. This property was a dream of mine. I drove past it for 3 years and I was a realtor. I had no idea how to buy it. I just knew how to sell it, how to do the documents, but I didn't know how to come up with the money to make the deal happen. Thankfully, I hired a mentor and he taught me so much. I was able to acquire this real estate. I was able to now convert it to my dream, which you can see in my shirt here, Sub-Zero all over. I'm gonna be able to have a car shop next door on the other side. And right here, we're gonna have a gym. In the back, we're gonna have all the heavyweights. Hanging from these beams, we'll have the boxing bags. On the wall, we'll have the speed bag. Right here, we're gonna have a big boxing ring. Over here, we're gonna have the sitting area, 2 bathrooms, 2 offices. But over there on the other side is my biggest dream. And thankfully, I stuck to real estate, I stuck to learning, and I didn't listen to the people around me that were telling me I was dreaming too big, I was going too far. I made it happen. And now, like I said, I'm a real estate coach, and I wanna make it happen for you. So check out my 8-week camp, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do what I did and what I'm doing. This is the side that excites me. You can see it in the smile on my face. I've always dreamed of having my own garage shop where we work on cars, more specifically, race cars. So this year is finally it. Real estate has taught me what I needed to be able to acquire this property, this business, and be able to have the fun now. So in this immediate area, we're gonna have 2 admins handling the people coming in and out, the flow of the people. Over here, a lot of work to be done, but this is where you can see I got the experience. I'm for real about this. Here we're gonna do new plumbing, new floor. As you can see, we already did the electric, we already did the garage doors, but in here is where we're gonna be servicing the vehicles. And it's crazy because this shit is fly. So we're excited about that. And I'll show you here the rear area. It's crazy looking at it like this now because this is a big ass office. And I remember I started in my living room. My office was in my living room, in between the living room and dining area. Kids running around when they would visit us, or family running around. But now, today, I have this big ass space. I get the opportunity to work very, very comfortably. I got a full bathroom, I got a full kitchen behind you there. I'm gonna be able to put my office area here, be able to make a room here, my daughter, or the studio, or the podcast. All the things that I always wanted to do are now within reach and possible. But it started with me taking action. It took me flipping over 100 houses. It took me being an agent and selling over 400 houses for other people. It took me helping 50 students come in, start their real estate business. But today I get to enjoy my life. And this is exactly what I want to teach you. I want to show you how I was able to use real estate, something that works for so many people, and I made it work for me. I was able to make the adjustments, hire the right team, and enjoy the process. So within my 8-week camp, that's what we focus on, helping you do that. Long story short, just like I learned in boxing, each one teach one. I'm blessed, I have the right mentors, the right guidance. I was able to do the things that I enjoy, got my real estate license, was able to build a real estate business where I help so many families right now. Now I want to help do the same thing for you. I want you to help families. I want you to either become a real estate agent or a real estate investor. I understand what that does for you. I understand the freedom that you get, the opportunity to do whatever you want with your creativity, to determine your value and determine your schedule. I want you to enjoy it. So as you can see, I got a race car, I got rentals, flips, all the things that I've always wanted. But I had to work hard. I had to have the right mentors. So we're here now. We have the community, the mentors, the education, and the time to help you. So if you're serious, join our 8-week camp. If you're curious, go the free route. Join the Flipping Mindsets group. It's free, and let's work together to improve the community.